Good morning, all. My name is Harshit Sisodia, and I am from Purnima Institute of Engineering Technology, Jaipur.
Today I will be showing you my third assignment as a part of Skyfi Labs. In this video is a safe software and I have designed a mat footing earlier for 23-story building which I have designed earlier. So this is the model of the footing I have made. So first we have to define the material. So these two materials I have defined M40 and HYSD 500. M40 for the concrete and HYSD 500 for longitudinal rebars. So these all properties you have to input. You can get it from internet, and similarly for HYSD 500. Now after defining materials you have to define slab properties or footing properties. So you create here mat footing, modify properties, M40 slab materials, and thickness. First we have assumed 500 mm, but it was failed, so I increased the thickness of the footing. It is 1200 mm. Then after defining material and slab properties, then you have to define column properties. So two types of columns are there, 500 by 500 and 600 by 600. So you can see the properties of the column M40 here, M40 500 by 500, and the outer columns are 500 by 500, and these four columns are 600 by 600. So after define material properties, slab property, column properties, then we have to define the soil subgrade properties. Soil modify, yes, upgrade modify modulus of, we calculate from the formula subgrade modulus SBC upon allowable settlement. These values are given as per problem statement. Is it coming 330,000 per meter cube. So first material, then the slab properties, then column properties, then subgrade soil properties, then we have to define the load pattern, load cases. So in load patterns we have assigned dead load and live load, self weight into 1. Then load cases, dead load, live load, linear static types of analysis. Click OK, then load calculation. You have two types of the combination as per IS 456 ultimate load combination, which is here. So ultimate load combination scale factor for dead load and live load, that this is 1.5 respectively, and here strength ultimate design selection OK. In combination to the combination for serviceability, the scale factor for dead load and live load is 1. And linear combination type and design selection, you have to take all the service normal and long term service. Insert OK. You have defined material properties, slab properties, column properties, soil subgrade properties, and all the loads. So all definitions are complete. Now you have to draw the footing by going to draw menu and draw columns and draw slab areas and draw design strips. So these are design strips you can see. You can display. Now you can go to the display menu. So then after drawing footings and all, you have to assign the soil properties and load data. So here you can go to soil properties, and for here load data, no right click. Now right click here anywhere in the footing, you will get the properties, rebar materials, properties, SYSD, mat footing, soil. Then if you middle click on this column, you will get the loads. This is dead load, point load, and this live load. And you have to design. So in this column, if you want to see rebar, then you have to click inside the column but not at the center. Then after assigning the load and soil properties, you can go the run analysis. I already I have run that analysis, the design and run detailing. So everything is already done. So here is detailing option. You can see various reinforcement profile, rebar plans. Then you go. Then you can go to rebar schedule. This is all schedule bills of quantities, and you can save everything here and display, and then undeformed. Then you can went to check. Then you can went to the check, punching shear design. So this was the design. Thank you so much, Skyfi Labs.